Are you looking to add scalability to your growing wealth management or asset management business? Let's take a look at how we could add value for you. Digipal automatically loads portfolios as provided by your systems. You can define which dimensions of the portfolio should be covered, in which order, and over which time frame. Pick one or several languages as needed. Our platform does the slicing and dicing across asset classes and sectors. If there are complex underlying instruments, then they'll be unbundled. The engine analyzes exposures over time to provide you with fact-based explanations about the portfolio and the relevant market background. All portfolios are analyzed individually and automatically. As a result, you get all-in-one personalization, scalability, and cost efficiency. Would you like to learn more about how we can do the same for your investment communication? Schedule a demo on our website or contact us directly.